Okay, so we have a Bibbidy Bobbidy Box to open, and last time I did this I spent a lot of time talking about it, so I'm going to open while I talk. This is Bibbidy Bobbidy Boxes, and if you've ever had these before, the plastic on here is new, and we're assuming it's because it protects the boxes now, because the boxes are super cute, so having the plastic on there means your box is going to be nice and intact once you take the plastic off. So Mom is over here looking up the specific type of, what do you call it, box that it is. Yeah, but it's the Disney one, and inside the, so when you fill out your information for your boxes, it gives you options for your choices. So you can either get random or you can get a couple of different things. The words that I put were blue, Cinderella, and sparkly. And so we got the larger box. I think it was $119 was the price. So it's $119 for this month. And those were the words blue, sparkly, and Cinderella. So we're gonna see what they gave in the box here. All right, so we got, let me just pick this up and show. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it. And we got little decorations, and we got a little card, and there's a packing slip, so we can't watch. Look, it says no peeking. All right, so instead of reading the card, we're gonna jump right into opening this. So let's see. All right, so we got a little Bibbidy Bobbidy sticker. This is the kind of thing I will speed up in the, oh, I already see blue sparkly. Oh, oh my goodness, it's a lounge fly bag.
Oh, wow.
Okay, this is a mess. Hang on, let me get this out. Let me get this out. I am so excited. Let's see. All right. So it is the Frozen 2 Lounge Fly backpack. Oh my gosh, look, and it says "Let It Go" on the thing. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside and go over this in a minute, but isn't that so much fun?
I love this.
All right, and then I got Loungefly iron-on patches, which I have my bag that I'm gonna add my patches to. It looks like Minnie Mouse eyes, I guess. And then I got a Cinderella. Okay, so I have a couple of these on, but I got a Cinderella Alex and Ani bracelet. And it has the park exclusive on the back. Wow. Oh my goodness, I got more. A Walt Disney World car magnet. For some reason, this seems like more than even the last time. Let's see. And the rest of this in here is just little paper and things. But wow. Okay, so we've got the car magnets. I mean, just these two alone.
Yeah.
That's expensive right there. What are these bags? The sparkly ones run like 80 bucks.
80, yeah.
And then the
Frozen 2.
The eye patch. And let's see, I'm gonna look and see what the bag looks like inside.
Oh yes.
Oh, so it's got snowflakes on the inside, and it has the zipper.
Oh, nice.
The newer ones have the zipper now.
Completely.
Yep. And then this guy. Oh my goodness, it's got the reversible. Oh, this is reversible. Look at that. I didn't even realize that. It's got the reversible.
Oh, nice. When you change the color.
Yeah. And that's on the inside of the bag too. All right, so that is really, really cool. I didn't even know they had. I've seen the other blue that's in the. Yes. What do they call that? The I can't remember the name of it. Yeah, Avondale like blue.
Turquoise.
But that is.
Yeah, it's in there.
That's so exciting. That is
the lining.
That is like
really.
Yeah, this is even better than the last one. Even better than the last one.
Being so new, the
Yeah.
Frozen 2.
All right.
Nice.
So yeah, the blue was a good color choice.
Yes.
All right. Well, and it matches my shiny white
Yes, it does.
jacket. All right. Well,
see yours.
thank you for watching. That's really exciting. So again, it was blue, sparkly, and Cinderella were the 3 things I put on there. I guess, you know, there's no way to guarantee
Blue.
what you're going to get, but
But that's blue.
yep, it is blue and it is sparkly, and this one's blue and kind of shiny too, and that's gonna go on my little Prius. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't, go subscribe, and because the plan is to do more of these unboxings. Thanks.